Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some paper snow globes. These are so fun. You can customize them. You can even put whatever you want in the snow globe, but I really like the snow and glitter that's inside of them. All right, let's get started. First things first, you're gonna print out a medium-sized photo and you're gonna go ahead and cut out the outline of the people in it. All right, perfect. Next, we're gonna grab some blue construction paper and a plate, and we're gonna trace the plate. And let's go ahead and cut it out. Next, grab some paint. This is multi-surface. All right, we need a lot of white. I'm just gonna go ahead and paint some snow. I'm also gonna dab some dots because it's going to be snowing. Take some glitter. And while the paint is still wet, go ahead and put that all over. Nice and glittery. Onto the picture. We're gonna flip it over and go ahead and put some glue on it. All right, where should we put it? I feel like I'm gonna put it right on the bottom right here. Isn't that cute? Up next, I'm gonna grab some foam beads and I'm gonna very carefully put them in the middle of our image. All right, that should be plenty. I'm also gonna use some confetti glitter. This actually looks like snow. Go ahead and put that on top. And lastly, we're gonna add more glitter to the mix. So little tip, you don't want any of these foam beads on the edge of your paper because that's where we're gonna be gluing the plate. Take your glue gun. This one is pretty awesome. I'll have the Amazon link for this down below. And we're gonna go ahead, just put glue all the way around. All right, you gotta work quick, you guys. And go ahead and just put your plate right on the glue. And press this on the glue. Make sure to press it all the way around so no glitter or foam balls get out. I'm just gonna go around and fill any areas that need glue. All right, we're not done yet, but here is what we have so far. It's so cool. Okay, let's put this to the side. Grab some black construction paper. All right, I'm gonna put this right in the middle and go ahead and draw out the bottom of a snow globe. And then we're gonna cut it out. So we're gonna go ahead and put some glue on here and very quickly press your image where you want it. Where is Dad? Here he is. All right, you guys, I bought these paint marker pens off of Amazon for extra fine point. I'll have the link down below. So on here, you could put the name of the family, you could put the name of the child, any person that you're gifting it to. All right, you guys, there you have it. Now you can make your very own paper snow globe. These are so fun to make. I especially like this one with not so many foam balls, so you can see the whole family, but then you can go ahead and play with it too. I hope you guys love this do-it-yourself snow globe tutorial. I'll have all of the links to the supplies down below. And until next time, Merry Christmas!